Hello, Christoph. How are you doing?
Hey, Kasha, I'm pretty fine. How are you?
Good to see you again.
Pleasure.
So, Christoph is with AMG Lithium, and he'll be telling us about solid electrolyte technology from precursors and raw materials to securing the full value chain.
Well, then, thanks, Kasha, for the introduction. Thanks a lot for giving us the opportunity to talk to you. And what I would like today, or to do with you today is take you on a trip from and along the journey of lithium from the mine, basically up to the solid electrolyte. And Arnold gave already a pretty good introduction in the different types of solid electrolytes. And what we all know from these solid electrolytes, at the end of the day, they need lithium. And this is what I would like to bring to you today, get you an introduction. How can we secure the value chain, and make sure we have the right materials at the right time in the right quantities? This is a slide which I have unfortunately to bring on because we are a stock listed company. Therefore, a lot of small text. We have to bring that here to the audience. Nevertheless, where we all know why we are here today. We talk about all solid state batteries. We know about the advantages. We have higher energy density. We have solid electrolytes as the key enabler for lithium metal anodes, which contributes to further increase the energy density. Solid electrolytes allow for faster charging rates. They contribute to an increased cycle life, and they contribute to an increased intrinsic safety. These are all the advantages summarized for all solid state batteries. And most importantly, we need the solid electrolytes to enable the higher energy densities. From what we saw already before from Arnold talk, we have basically three classes of solid electrolytes. We have the sulfidic ones, we have the oxidic ones, and we have polymer solid electrolytes, all with advantages and disadvantages. Certainly for sulfidic ones, reduction stability is one of the key advantages. Ionic conductivity is unprecedented compared to the other classes. If you look to oxides, we have a high oxidation stability. We have a moisture stability, which makes them easier to use. And if we look to polymers, their clear advantage, again, moisture stability, and we have a process maturity to use polymer solid electrolytes. There are certainly, on the other hand, disadvantages. For polymeric ones, we have the thermal stability. For oxidic ones, ionic conductivity, especially at room temperatures, is a critical point. And for sulfidic ones, material availability is a key problem. And this gives you already an indication of what I will be talking about the next couple of minutes. If we look at the literature, there are certainly other fields of improvement. I found that pretty informative. We have all kind of technical advantages and disadvantages. And if we look at these properties, we come to the point where we as AMG had to take a decision what would be the type of solid electrolytes that we would like to support, where we would like to have the base materials in our hands and bring them to the market. We deliberately chose sulfidic solid electrolytes to answer the question why. Why did we look at this class of materials? We saw sulfidic solid electrolytes. They have demonstrated conductivity, a high conductivity, which is feasible by the argyrodite type materials. We saw that the material or the mechanical properties are already at an early stage at a very suitable situation for process automation. So that means the so-called young modulus, they are soft enough to produce them, to bring them into the cell. And AMG by itself has already a long-lasting experience in argyrodite science. So this is why we saw the largest potential, and what we also see in terms of patent applications and in terms of activities nowadays focusing on sulfidic solid electrolytes. What we still see as an issue, if you look at literature, if we talk